Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1979 Camaro Z28. We started with a brand new dart block. We have the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made, proper oil pan for the 1979 Camaro Z28. These real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue. All the wire markers are on there. The chrome Chevrolet valve covers with the matching chrome Chevrolet air cleaner with a washable filter. We have the aluminum intake manifold, air gap intake on there. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats installed. We have the 2 extra water ports for any coolant sensors. PCV valve, heavy duty Russell line on there. Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return springs, throttle cable ball on there. We have the HEI GM Performance distributor, all set in place. Correct automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevrolet and the customer's transmission. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed on the intake for any vacuum sources. Braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire, muscle car series fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line on there, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor, inline gas filter right there. It's real nice polished Wraptor pulley kit on here, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator with a GM Type 2 power steering pump. We'll supply the remote reservoir and the power steering line kit for the customer. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So when you put the engine in, it'll be 100% perfect for you. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or you can text us at that number. Our email address is info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family operated business here. So there you have it, our 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine with the brand new dart block and the AFR heads and the comp cams roller cam. Thanks for watching.